Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to learn how to find your YouTube channel URL and how you can claim one custom URL like your own. Once you start your YouTube channel will give you one default URL, which one you can share with your friends and family. So that's the way they can click on the link and they can find your channel. But after you finish your requirement, you will be also enabled to apply for custom URL. First, let's find out simple way how you can find out your channel URL. So for that one, what you have to do, you have to go to YouTube and you have to log into your channel. Once you log into your YouTube channel, you will see like that I'm on my YouTube channel and my channel logo over here. What simply you have to do, you have to go over here, click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, you click here in the web browser, that will be your YouTube channel URL. I'm at the subscriber, you can just delete the back, like a view, whatever. So that's all your URL. That's the URL you got from YouTube. If you have enabled custom already or you want to enable, so what you have to do, you have to go to your channel logo on right hand corner, click on your channel, go to setting. Once you click on setting, you will be promoted to this page. At this page, you need to be click on left hand side at account. You need to be at the account and you will see here channel status and the feature. You click over here and you will be able to see all the features are enabled or you are not eligible for that. Like when I have a channel membership, I'm not eligible, so it shows me an eligible because it need a more than 4,000 subscribers. I have also for like 2,000 or something, but I have a claimed already my custom URL. As you can see, custom URL, the unique name you can put like your name or whatever. If you look top like your channel URL, the one we was looking for earlier, that will be little like difficult to remember or something, but this one I have a claimed already. So how you can find out your unique or claimed URL? We have to go back one step back, or I can take you back at the same spot. Like you click on your channel logo on the right hand corner on the top, you will click on the setting, you will come to this page. You an account right now. For this one, you have to click on advanced settings. If you click on advanced setting, you will see there's a couple things over here. You have a user ID, you have a channel ID, you have a default channel, like I will tell you your email address or whatever, and you have a custom URL. I have a custom URL already. It shows me over here. What you have to do, you just simply copy and you can paste in your YouTube videos on your Facebook page, so they can simply click on this URL and find your channel. That's the way you can find your channel URL on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you do so, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you very much. See you next time and next video.